Welcome to Craft with Kathie. I have some exciting new products to show you, and actually they debuted yesterday. So let's get started and take a look at some of these wonderful things. Here's the Chalkable Chip Pennant Banner. It comes with 12 reusable chalkable pennant-shaped pieces, some string, and a bunch of beads. So you can create your own customized banner whenever you want. And what might you put on these chalkable pennant chips? Just check out this absolutely amazing font. Look at these big, beautiful letters that are actually perfect for the Chalkable Chips pennant banner. And in addition to the capital letters, we've got some numbers, some little designs, an established or an EST down over here, and then some more of the vines are like, I don't know, I want to say wreath or whatever, but some foliage. So you could add however you want. Create your own pennant banners and use it over and over and over again. Perfect for weddings, perfect for birthdays. If you do a lot of entertaining, this is perfect because once you're done using it, spritz it with water, wash them off, or leave the design on, I don't know, and just chalk the opposite side. That's all there is to it. And this font is perfectly sized to go with these chalkable chips. Isn't this cute? It's absolutely amazing. It's just beautiful. What a great entertainment, what a great idea for entertaining. And of course, this comes with, I don't know how many beads in it, but there's some nice wooden beads in the twine to string it. So that's one of the new things coming along. Have I got you excited so far? Isn't this cool? Hi, Brenda. How you doing? Of course, I jumped right in and placed my order, and I was so excited. They came, I think they came Saturday, late Saturday. Okay, so that's one thing. I'm saving the piece de resistance for the end. So hang in there. This is going to be brief, but it's going to be fun. Now, in keeping with the idea of the pennant banner for chalkable chips, why not have some chalkable tiles, right? Well, here we go. These also come 12 in a set. You can get them in white or black. They're chalkable chips, so they're totally reusable, erasable, just like our chalkboards, just like any of the other chalkable chips, like our round chips, whatever. And I know I measured these earlier today, and I can't remember the size. They are 1 3/4, no, a little bit, yeah, 1 3/4 by 2 inches wide. Obviously, they could go horizontally or vertically. There's 12 in a pack that come white or in black. Now, how do you use these? Well, guess what? We've got another font that is perfect for this. This happens to be the letterboard font. Ooh, I kind of gave things away a little bit here. This is perfectly sized for these little tiles. Okay. But if you don't like this, if this is a little bit too plain for you, we also have another font that is upper and lowercase, and it's the farmhouse letterboard font. So the farmhouse letterboard font comes with a full set of letters in capitals and in lowercase, and then numbers, an ampersand, an exclamation mark, and the letterpress, all caps, and then some symbols, designs, an @ sign, a pound sign, percentage, etc. So both of these perfectly sized for these tiles. Now, what could you do with the tiles? Well, gee whiz, let me show ya. Are you familiar with our board and base? Oops, there goes a flying paintbrush. This is the base from our board and base, and our chalkboard fits in the slot. Look at this. Woo! I forgot how long it is. 15 inches, 15.9 inches, almost 16 inches. Let me show you how this works. You can put these tiles, I should have gotten the name of actually what this is called. I can't remember what it's called. Oh, it's a Chalkable chips tile base. So chalk your letters and then add them to the base. Aren't these tiles and base perfect for when the pennant is a little bit too much? This is a letterboard. How cool is this? Let me see if I can open it up real quick. Here we go. How do you like that? And it comes with a set of tiles also. I've got cardboard on here or whatever, but you get the idea. So go full out and get the letterpress board or get the little base, or go with the pennant banner, or you know what? Get all three, right? Just think of what you could do with these and how you could celebrate and make special days for everyone you love. I'm absolutely in love with the letterboard. I think this is perfect and can be used so many different ways. From first day of school, last day of school, graduations, happy birthdays, you name it, you got it. Get all three, right? Just think of what you could do with these and how you could celebrate and make special days for everyone you love. I just think it's so cool and cannot wait to get playing around with them. So that was my quick and sweet little unboxing, and look for these near the end of June, but I'll start creating some projects in the next couple weeks. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful evening. I'll see you soon.